Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Taryn. I make sewing, crafting, and small business type vlogs and tutorials. So I'm just going to be taking you on a little behind the scenes of projects that I'm working on, as well as show you some projects that I have done. So enjoy. I want to start off by just catching you up on something that I've been working on and something that I've already started. So a big thing that I've always wanted to do was wedding dresses and designer dresses. But as you know, that would take a lot of time, and the biggest problem would actually be building up inventory, considering I don't do this full time. It's just me. There's no one else sewing, there's no one else helping with anything else. So the biggest problem was actually saying I'm going to start off and not taking just custom pieces, but actually having something that people can look at, having pictures up on my website of dresses. So the way I started this is basically I bought a whole lot of designer dresses from different designers. And the whole idea behind that is that I will start making my dresses as I have time and I'm not working on anything else and actually just adding it to that collection. That way I'm not rushed and everything that I'm putting out is like unique, things that are well thought of, things that haven't been stressing me out, but have been just like really cool passion projects. So the dresses did come in, but because my sewing studio is like a section at my dad's house, I can't really bring people in. It's just that I think it wouldn't be completely fair to just be bringing people in here. And it's also like the way that it's situated in the house is that if you walk in through the main door, here's my sewing studio, but you have to walk through the house to get into actually the other places. And where the dresses are stored, they're hung up, they're in plastics, but also there's a lot of other stuff in that room. So it doesn't really give that boutique vibe. But we are building another place that I'm going to use as like a mixture of my office, my sewing studio, and have like a section where people can actually come in, have a seat, look through the dresses and things like that. So I still will be making dresses because after getting this large stock, I'm not planning on buying any more. The rest that is going to be added to it will obviously be my own designs. These dresses are um, expensive in the fact that they are really well made and that they deserve to be that price. So I'm not actually expecting like a big turnaround, like they're just gonna get like emptied off the shelf. These are a little bit of the high end stuff. And the dresses that I make, I'm also wanting them to be high end. So that is something really exciting, and I have put it up on my website, but I haven't been like pushing it because I know that people will want to come in for fittings, and I'm not ready for that as yet. So those are up if people want to buy online and have me send them out, then that's fine. But the actual coming in and fitting and all of that, that is just gonna have to wait until my other project is done. This year I am also studying again. I am studying I'm getting my postgrad in financial planning, which is exciting. So I'm on the road to becoming a CFP and a tax practitioner, which is all things that I have been doing, but not like right full out. I'd be doing it every day, but behind the scenes. So it's something that is also exciting, but it's just a lot of hard work. So 2020 is going to be really exciting, really busy, and just ready for it. These are like literally where all the dresses are situated now. So as you can see, it's like it's not ideal, and I'm not ready to show it to people as yet, but I will be. So I just wanted to show you as well the new collection of dresses that I have made. The background noise is my parrots, by the way, in case you're wondering. I think these are super cute. I actually forgot about this order that someone is coming to collect tomorrow, but thankfully it's just an easy one. So it is just one of these acrylic keychains with the name. It says Mrs. Shuttleworth. So I just want to quickly grab a second flyer. So the name is printed on, and there's a little frog printed on, and then I just put a glaze on top just so it lasts a bit longer. So like this week I had so many custom orders that I was making and getting out, and I actually stopped advertising as much just because I wanted to get all of those out before I advertise more. And now that it's all out, I still didn't put an ad because I thought now would be a good time for me to just stock up on things like scrunchies and just work on some new projects as well. And like I said, I want to make some dresses as well. So instead of like advertising, I thought maybe I could just use this time, and also because I'm studying, just use this time to do some projects that I've been wanting to try but I've been too busy to do. And that way this can be like less stress, but like a nice break in between studying and working. I can't imagine like how certain people who have small businesses still have long beautiful nails, because I would just break it because I'm using my hands so much. I feel so bad. Everything I just did now was out of frame. Okay, I'm just gonna try and work here. I also have a really exciting call later today. Like I said, now that I've had a little bit more time, I was just speaking to another YouTuber who has very similar style of things that I do, in the fact that she does made to order, and she also does tutorials, and just very similar to my style. So she and I are thinking about collaborating and doing some sort of video together. So that will be fun. I'm actually talking to 3 people at the moment about collaborating, but this one looks like it might be done sooner. It just depends on both of our schedules. Oh, sorry, out of shots again. These are so cute. They are all packaged, and just gonna take some photos of these and send it off to her, make sure that she's happy with them. And then I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. But I have a whole batch of scrunchies ready to be elastic. I just have 2 more to sew into tubes, and then I'm probably gonna only do that tomorrow, because even though it's a Saturday and it's the day that I actually get a lot of my sewing done, I just went shopping and I got like a whole lot of other things done. Sorry, you're not looking at my face because my face looks like this. So I'm actually really tired as well. So I think I'm just gonna finish sewing up the last two into tubes, and then tomorrow when I have time I will join you back here so that we can elastic that, and then maybe start on a dress, or we can start patterning out a new handbag, because I'm wanting to start selling patterns as well. So I'm learning how to digitize and everything, but it's going to be a long process and something far into the future. But that is something that is exciting and just on my list of things to do, but we're going to get there. So that's probably all for today, but not for this video. There is going to be more coming up tomorrow. So I managed to just do a major restock on my scrunchies. Some of them are styles that are coming back, like the satin ones, and others were like just completely new, like these. So I do have like a mixture of new collections, some that came back. I was thinking of doing maybe like a sale on the scrunchies, but I think that they are actually really well priced anyway, so I think that I still am going to do a sale though, just on some of the designs, and then the others that I haven't that I'm introducing for the first time, I'm going to actually need to take some good photos of those. So I think that's what I'm gonna do first, and then I'm gonna just plan some posts for Instagram and for the online shop. So I just want to like take out a few. I don't think I need to put all of them. This is also a new design. This as well. And these navy scrunchies. So I just need to get like good photos of those taken. Then I want to take some like nice shots of all these scrunchies before they start getting sold, just to have some content. I've already got, these are restocked, so I don't need to take up these, but I am gonna repost some pictures of the ones that are back in stock. So I think I will just like say they back in stock when I do the general photos of all of them together, and yeah, and not redo any individuals on those, because I'm trying to get this done. And then I also have some pouches that didn't really sell at the shop, so I want to get pictures of those and advertise them to go. I just find at the shop they don't sell as well as when I sell them online, but it's just as nice to have stock in the shop because it gets my name out there and that's a new audience. I also want to send some new items to the shop, so I need to think about that as well.